All right, so we've waited a long time for this. Game 5 of the Leafs-Habs series with the Buds hoping to make it on to the next round for the first time since 2004. But the pandemic means that things are going to look a little bit different for Leafs Nation. Here's 680 News reporter Carl Hanstke.
A huge game for the Leafs tonight. If they can beat the Habs here at Scotiabank Arena, they will have done something they haven't done in 17 years, advance to the second round of the playoffs. But while the Leafs are playing at home here, sadly, fans will only be able to watch the game at home. Due to COVID, there are no fans allowed inside, no fans allowed outside here in Maple Leaf Square. You can see there's no stands, there's no stage, the game not even being shown on the big screen. And police are reminding fans, if the Leafs do win tonight, don't come down here to celebrate. There's nothing to do or see, and group gatherings are not allowed. Go Leafs, go! It's just not the same, is it? In Maple Leaf Square, I'm Carl Hanstke, 680 News.